Hello guys, my name is Brenda from Motivation with Brenda, and I've really enjoyed today's session because in my content I do a lot of interviewing people, inviting people to my channel so that we can have a discussion, and listening to defining talk. I've come to realize that they are one of the two things that I've not been doing quite well because in interviewing people I've learned that you first have to start by making the person you are interviewing to feel comfortable so that once they start sharing their story, it's more like two friends just having a discussion with each other. So that is what that is my take home today. Then I've also learned that we are our own cheerleaders. Content creation comes with a lot of struggles. There are times that you feel like you just want to quit because you feel like things are not working out for you. You are working hard, you're creating that content consistently, but then the views will not just come. So sometimes you feel like you just want to quit, but that is not what we are supposed to do. Listening to Bongani, I've realized that I'm my own cheerleader, and nobody can push me the in the best way possible, like the way I can push myself to greatness. And then they also talked about motivation being the main factor for starting. Money being the main factor for them starting their channel. But I somehow feel like I have a different opinion about that, given that for small YouTubers you don't really get that a lot of money from YouTube. If you get, like, let's say about $100, then there's that tax from the US tax. The amount of money that you'll get will still be little. So if you are a small YouTuber and you focus mostly on the money that you want to make, I feel like at the end of the day you might end up feeling depressed because you feeling disappointed because you're working so hard but the money that you expect to get is not coming in. So I somehow had a different opinion about that. Then I think collaboration is important because they also talked about collaborating with other brands for you to grow as a content creator. So basically that is my take home today.